Hello students, in this video we will discuss about second theorem related to continuity topic. Theorem is a real function f is said to be continuous if it is continuous at every point in the domain f. Means what is the domain of given function? On the every point of in that domain, if function is defined on every point, then that function will be continuous. Suppose function f is defined in closed interval ab, then it is continuous at every point in AB, closed interval AB. Now limit x tends to a positive f of x tends to a positive f of x equal to f of a, and limit x tends to be negative f of x equal to f of b. Meaning of this is greater than or equal to a. That means this is a closed interval, so a and b both are including, and between the all points a and b and including ab, this function is defined at every point, so this function will be continuous. Therefore function f will be continuous function. Since limit x tends to a negative f of x and limit x tends to b positive f of x have no sense due to f of x to a negative. That means this will be outside from the domain of the given function. Domain of given function is closed interval a to b. Since x tends to a negative, this is the less than a, and if x tends to b positive, this is the greater than b. That means these values will be outside from the given domain of the f. So limit x tends to a negative f of x and limit x tends to b positive f of x have no sense. Consequently, f is defined at one point in domain f, then function will be continuous if function is singleton.